Investigator-initiated studies are studies initiated by an investigator who had an idea. So he observed something, has an idea about something, and then thinks about how to realize the idea. It's not a large study in the beginning, like from an institution or from a vendor, but rather from a single investigator. Yeah, there is several problems when you try to prepare or develop an IIS. So you need to calculate like your study population, so you need statistical advice. And that is often non-existent. And you need funding. And then you need to write a research protocol. And with that research protocol, you need to go to your ethics committee. And you organize your study team. Data collection, data analysis, and later on statistical analysis. And there's a range of problems you run into when you start on your own, and the webinar will show you how to do that, how to deal with that, and where you can get help.
Target audience is, of course, interventional radiologists or vascular oncologists, of course. I believe in any field of the interventional radiology, you should provide evidence. Oncologists know that very well.
The target audience of our webinar is colleagues who may have an idea, work in an environment where they observe something, and then decide, well, that may be worth of developing or initiating a study. And then they get the tools to do that and to realize and implement what they have learned.
We learn all the steps. Yeah? We learn from the idea. Which expert you can discuss at point. Yeah? How you draft a protocol. How you put together the objective of a study. How can you find also a financial support for this study. Yeah? That may be one of the most important points. Yeah? These are all the points we will discuss with experts. You may ask all questions that you need to know and where you need to know the answers.
In the webinar, you learn how to develop an IIS. So how to go from an idea to a study script, to a proposal you can submit to an ethics committee, to run the study, to analyze the study, and finish it actually successfully. Yeah, I would recommend that to all residents in training because they learn that not always the large-scale, multi-institution, big vendor or state institutions have an idea and come up with something, but rather a single person can come up with an idea and initiate a study. Yeah, CIRSE has implemented several ways of helping investigators to start a study or a trial. There is something now called Next Research. When you get the support you most often need, like statistical analysis, calculating the study power, calculating the necessary study population, things we do not learn at medical school. We are not statisticians.
Yeah, I encourage all interventional radiologists to participate and to look at this webinar because CIRSE has now launched a totally new contract research organization, the Next Research. So you will get the contact also during the seminar. And this CRO, Contact Research Organization, will help you if you have a good idea for research. Only the idea, yeah? We will discuss with you how to continue, how to realize your project from drafting a protocol, putting together the CRF, and up to at the end of the day, the dissemination of your clinical results.